Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please help me to subscribe for more videos. So in this video we want to prepare our porridge rice. Okay, so this is my groundnut, this is rice powder. So how we get this rice powder is on my YouTube channel. So this is milk, this is my pineapple and carrots. Okay, this is brown sugar. So follow me as I want to prepare this food. Okay, so I want to pour the rice inside here. So as you see, this is my water, boiling water. Subscribe, help me to subscribe so that I will reach 5,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you very much. This is nice. So as you see, it's ready. I want to take it down. Brown sugar, groundnuts, pineapple, So beautiful people, this is our porridge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. So beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. This is our rice porridge with pineapple and carrots. See you on my next video. Don't forget to share and like, comment. Thank you very much. Mwah! Subscribe if you are a new, if you are a new viewers, please subscribe. Thank you.